I've already hit.
Baby! Big ol' hit. This ball is crushed.
Oh, come on.
The babe!
1 of 1.
Wow!
Derek
Jeter 1 of 1 auto!
Dual logo man, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell.
Oh, that's filthy.
All right, guys, here we go. Tier 1 baseball, group break number 8,439. Let's go to the team list. We've got a serial number closer as well. We'll jump over for that in just a second here. Here we go. 3 times. Names and numbers. 1, 2, and 3. We've got E. Belvin down to Mike Weiss. Three times. 1, 2, 3. 8 down to 1. Here we go. E. Belvin 8, Shane 2, Allen 3, Torrey Z 7, Brad Willis 5, Torrey Z 0, Mike Weiss 9, Brad Willis 6, Toby 4, and Mike Weiss 1 on the serial. Get crazy. What's up, Neil? Here we go. Come on. Let's get nasty. You guys, $34 to go on hockey. $34. Everything's filled in. 34 buckaroos. And we'll go back to back here. Tier 1, clear cut. Nastiness to finish off the night. We'll get that done halftime. We'll be ready to go. Good to go. Second half. Get to watch a little football. I literally haven't seen any of it yet. Come here. Why did this do this? Javier Baez. Detroit. That is the first card, and it's going to the serial. 268. E. Belvin. Next, Emmanuel Rivera to 299 for Kansas City. Frankie D. For the Yankees to 299, DJ LeMahieu Weef. That is yours. And for the Cleveland Guardians, Benjamin Bartle, Shane Bieber, the 149. Yadier Molina, Brad, for the Cardinals, the 299 relic. Hey, right behind it. Oh, nice. Tim McCarver. Tier 1 talent auto for the Cardinals. Brad. And for Arizona to 299, 186. That one's going to Brad Willis, Seth Beer. Rookie auto. Nice one. Nice. Neil Ripken or Adley. All right. $3.99 Garrett Cole for the Yankees. Beef. Dang. Angel Rondon to 25. Brad Willis, have yourself a night. And nice one. Vlad Guerrero Jr. A Mike Weiss. 39 of 99 for the serial closer. You got it. That is 3 nice ones for the serial already. Big Poppy E. Belvin, number to 399 for Boston. For Baltimore, Cedric Mullins, Neil. And for the White Sox, Jake Berger to 25, E. Belvin. Rookie auto to 25. I need a burger right now. Right, Mike? Yeah, that'll work. Work. Trey Mancini, Neil. For Baltimore to 399. For Cincinnati, that's going 257. Torrey Z of 299. Tony Santillan, rookie auto. And Bo Jackson to 75. Bat auto for Kansas City. Frankie D. Bo Jackson to 75. Nasty. This one's a brick. I'm guessing 2 relics. Oh, no, we got a super fat card. Oh, boy. Super fat on the back. Yeah. Number 399, John Schmaltz for the Atlanta Braves, E. Belvin. Look at that bad boy. 3 of 10. Kyle Seager, Junior 7, Junior 23. Then Mark McGuire. Van Pelt for Oakland to 75. It goes this way, I think. Yeah, it goes this way, I think. Button auto. Numbered 1 of 1, Josh Donaldson for the Minnesota Twins. Neil. Boom, baby. 1 of 1, button auto, Josh D. Wow. Tier 1, man. We are just crushing. Crushing. That pack was ridiculous. It had a Seager to 10, McGuire to 75, and a 101 Donaldson. A little more room. Reggie Jackson for the Angels, the 199 Legends, Torrey Z. And for Philadelphia, a Granger, Andrew McCutchen at 399. Tony Oliva for the Twins, Tier 1 talent autograph, Neil. Oh, look at that thing. Barry Larkin to 25 for the Reds, 15 of 25. Brad Willis from the closer. Gorgeous. All right, I'll put Barry up. I'll swap out the bow, only just it's kind of, you know, old school legend. Feels fair. Neil, that works as well. $22 to go on Hockey Boys. $22. Let's go. Let's go. to 299, Larry Walker. That's going to be 111. Mike Weiss, 111, Larry Walker. Andrew Vaughn for the White Sox, E. Belvin. 50 of 100. Nice one. Torrey Z, Joey Votto. Serial's hitting all over, too. And Christian Yelich for the Milwaukee Brewers, H&O's to 149. I'm telling you, Tier 1 this year, this stuff is fantastic, and the price is right. It is not a crazy expensive break. I mean, just monster hits. Oh, yeah, that doesn't suck. No, not at all. Willie Mays, 174 of 199. Toby, Legends Bat Relic. Gavin Sheets, 299. E. Belvin on the rookie auto. And for the Atlanta Braves, how about Dale Murphy? E. Belvin to 175. Tier 1 talent autograph. $17 on hockey. 17 buckaroos. Teamwork, dreamwork. You guys are trying to let me watch the second half of the football game, aren't you? Logan Webb for the Giants. That's 149. Going to Mike Weiss. Patrick Wisdom for the Cubbies. 45 of 299. Brad Willis. Nice one. 2 of 10, Neil, for the Twins. Byron Buxton. 2 of 10 for the Twins, Neil. Look at that. Carl Yastrzemski to 75. E. Belvin for Boston. This is fantastic. My goodness. For the Rays, 189 of 299, Brandon Lau. Going to Mike Weiss. Man, Yasmani Grandal, White Sox have hit like 5 autos. They hit. And for the Rays, Shane Baz, 134 of 299, Toby. And box number 12, fantastic case. Once again, one of the most consistent products. I'm telling you, this is crazy. Bat knobs, nameplates, one-on-one. It's just nuts. For Cleveland, Ernie Clement to 399. Benjamin Bartle. For the New York Yankees, Stephen Writings to 299. Rookie autograph, Weef. And to finish it off, George Springer for Toronto, 23 of 199. A. Popich, that's going to you. Guys, 8,439 Tier 1 baseball. There you have it.